So I'm going to give you Bandra Darshan today.
If it is 2 o'clock and I've not eaten anything, I go a little mad.
इसमें आधा कप वेरोनिका की कॉफी आती
क्या पता कहाँ जा रहे हैं? डोसा भी नहीं खा रहे हैं, हम रोल्स भी नहीं खा रहे हैं. बैंड्रा में और क्या मिलता है? Guys, already मेरी life का best day है.
है. So today, for the
Yes.
first time in 6 months, I am date in charge. And if today goes well, then every Saturday I will take you out on a date. If I don't enjoy today, like we always used to on Saturdays, go back to work. So
I think we'll have fun.
you grew up in Mulund. I grew up in Bandra. I never
Yeah.
thought I would marry someone who didn't live in,
In
Bandra.
Bandra? Or
So
you want to say you would never marry a Mulund girl?
I was never going to marry a Mulund because I was never going to get married. I didn't want to get married. I was anti-marriage. And I still am unless you find a girl like Natasha Kanti. So you don't settle basically is what I'm trying to tell you. So I'm going to give you Bandra Darshan today.
Bandra Darshan.
Bandra Darshan.
You know, when I was small, I always wanted to go. You know, there were those buses they would arrange,
Yeah.
and then they would take
See,
you like,
middle class.
or like my nanny and my masi and all had come, and my dad is like, "There's this bus, sit on that bus," and then
That's just what dads do with nannies. Huh? They just
Yeah.
put them in a bus.
and then when nannies come back, so excited, like we saw Salman ka ghar, we saw Shah Rukh ka ghar, we saw Amir ka ghar, then we saw this bandstand and Kata Road and
One day
everything.
maybe people will drive by a house and they're like, "Ye Natasha ka ghar hai." So today's date is Bandra Darshan. But Bandra Darshan with food. Chal.
You, me, and Labubu.
Labubu I'll burn one day, but that's okay. I'll burn it.
You're a very good vlogger.
You wanna guess where your first stop is? Any ideas?
Is it a bakery?
Kinda.
Because I'm thinking because I've not eaten anything.
Yeah.
It's 1:30.
Oh, no.
You guys should know that if it is 2 o'clock and I've not eaten anything, I go a little mad.
So we are definitely getting you something to eat. But this is a spot you have not been to before in Bandra. And this bakery serves something that you love. Poha. Oh.
We're getting बनमस्का चाय and कीमा पाव. कीमा पाव क्योंकि मैंने ऐड करवा दिया. But हम बनमस्का चाय के लिए आए थे. I'm gonna say I'm impressed. So बनमस्का चाय, our most favorite. I love बनमस्का from
Yazdani.
Rajdhani Bakery, but this also looks very good. Very good.
You know SABF tier.
Oh, बनमस्का चाय, S tier. Best breakfast in Mumbai.
How's the chai?
Very nice, perfect.
How you like your chai?
I like my chai which doesn't have a lot of chai patti ka taste. Please?
You make chai, no?
No, I don't make chai.
तो एक्सपर्ट क्यों बन रही है फिर तू? तेरे को नहीं आती तो?
पता है मुझे कैसे चाय पसंद है, मुझे पता है. मुझे खुद बनानी नहीं आती, वो अलग बात है.
ओए, easy.
सुबह से भूख लगी है. It's very soft pav. No pav should be. Color of the keema also looks so good.
People hate on mutton, no?
Yeah, people hate on mutton.
I like mutton.
It's a very unique taste to it. It's spicy. It's something that I've not tried before.
बारिश हो रही
The
होती
flavor.
तो रोमांटिक
नहीं,
डेट हो जाती नहीं?
अरे फिर मैंने भीग जाते, फिर फोन रखो, फिर गीले गीले आते, हेयर भी खराब हो जाते. ये सही है बारिश सीजन में, बट नॉन बारिश. How's it?
Very different.
Yeah, the flavor is
मैं
very
भी बन
unique.
जाऊँ फूड ब्लॉगर.
आप पहले से ही थे, आप OG हो. S tier for the keema pav. Very good. But the good thing I like about this place is that one, it's not packed unlike other Bandra cafes and Bandra restaurants. Number two, हम बैठे and खाना आ गया. So there's no like 30 minutes of wait time. And number three, the food is actually very good. So and देखते कितना महंगा है. And cash नहीं लेते बस. Sorry, cash लेते, digital payment नहीं लेते. So देखते हमारे पास इतना ही cash है. So we paid a total of 280 rupees. And this was like
इसमें
such good
आधा कप
food.
वेरोनिका की कॉफी आती है.
On to the next spot. मन कर दिया मैंने. Transition. सारी transition दे देती हूँ मैं.
Any guesses where we're going next?
So it is not another bakery. I don't know, like, is it a dosa place?
No. If you
Place.
guess where we're going next, you get dessert. If you don't, then no dessert.
Are we going to Lucky Biryani?
No. You get 3 guesses.
Okay.
So you've tried 2 now.
I'll think about it.
हाँ,
Let
2
us
more
start.
guesses. अबे
Let us start now. Is it a shawarma place?
2 guesses gone.
क्या पता कहाँ जा रहे हैं? डोसा भी नहीं खा रहे हैं, हम रोल्स भी नहीं खा रहे हैं. बैंड्रा में और क्या मिलता है? I don't know. No, I think we will just reach and find out. No dessert for me, guys.
On to the next location. The next one's a dead giveaway, if you remember. When you met my parents for the first time.
Candy.
Yeah. First time Natasha's meeting my parents. My mom has called for candy sandwiches. I was like, Mom, I'm getting married. How can you get candy's food? But I think it was poetic.
Guys, already मेरी life का best day है. Ta-da! Spot number 2, candies. And I remember we sat on this table and we ate chocolate lava cake.
उठाते हैं उनको. Done. The first thing you do when you come to candies is you order one chutney and one cheese sandwich. OG chutney sandwich, OG cheese sandwich. Best. The next thing you have to eat at candies is a jelly shot. So it's biscuit. The central layer has no flavor. And then jelly on top. That's a chicken pie, which is not the best, but it has good memories. And then something you have to eat and order is the chicken lasagna. And that usually comes with small garlic bread. They don't have that today, so they've given us bread roll. And it comes with this thanda macaroni chicken salad. If you eat this, you're guaranteed to like feel the macaroni on your chest. Then you end your meal with a rich chocolate cake, which before bougie and all came, this used to be like the best chocolate cake in Bandra. Now I have my concerns.
It's not looking rich.
It's looking dry, but we don't diss candies.
For the memories.
Yeah, and all of this costs only 1,300 bucks.
Chicken jumby sandwich of candies S tier. Lasagna I'm trying. Very tomato ketchup but it's nice, it's very nice. And Punjabi samosa why?
Best aloo filling after A1 is candies. Very good aloo filling.
A little high on curry patta. Curry patta zyada. The cake has to try. Rich chocolate cake. Very not rich. The cake reminds me of the cake we Mulund people would have on a birthday party. I don't know how they're getting this taste. Cheap
Same.
chocolate, cheap.
चले?
Yeah.
Like, ma'am, Natasha Gandhi, आप यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हो?
Arey, when we were walking, there were those group of like people sitting. They're like, ये photographer है, ये photo खींचता है और ये खाना बनाती है. I was like, that is who we are. ये
Yeah.
photo खींचता है और मैं खाना बनाती हूँ.
ये photo खींचता है, खाना बनाती है.
So they also have a weekend market here. Let me go check it out.
One eternity later.
Okay, then it's too much pressure because I have to buy things and I'm on a no buy.
You're not on the no buy thing. You just bought water bottles for 30k.
Let me drink water from it, no? Candies was A tier for me.
Would you give this to your, like, if your son came and brought home a girl, would you order from candies?
Yeah, I would order the jello shots and I would order the lasagna. But like the girl is eating non-veg, right?
Girl is eating. What if your son marries a vegetarian?
Like I'm not having a kid.
You're not having a kid.
You should once come to candies for that nostalgic vibe and to like relive like all the things that we would eat when we were small kids. Or for I don't know why we're on this date there. हम आ गए घर पे थोड़े से ब्रेक के लिए क्योंकि बाहर बहुत गर्मी है एंड ये टेस्ट मैच पगलू ने टाइम किया था ये मुझे लगता है ब्रेक टफ है ना ऐसा बीवी की टेक केयर करना टफ है टफ है बहुत टफ है इजी नहीं है ये नताशा गांधी का पति बनना अब हम कुछ जगह जा रहे हैं हम जा रहे हैं थर्ड बांद्रा स्पॉट पे Are you taking me to Zatari Z? Why are you taking me to Zatari Z?
You know, man.
God, I've guessed it. They have my size. See, I'll show you. Matcha dunks.
Said available है भेज देता हूँ.
He said we have it in a Hyderabad store. I can ship it in your place within 7 days. Rice कुछ नहीं उसको बोला मैडम ऐसे लेगी मैडम को जो चाहिए मैडम को वो मिलता है.
How was that, Arvisi?
इसके पे बिल कटेगा अगर 4 बजे कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है और खाने को then you can come here. It's not bad. It is C tier. So like okay.
How much are the sneakers for?
Matcha dunks are for 26,000 man.
That-
Get it?
Yeah.
Then I'm on a no buy. अब हम एक फेवरेट स्पॉट की जगह आने वाले हैं बेनेडोसा के गली के ऑपोजिट गली में देयर इज अ सरप्राइज कि बेनेडोसा को छोड़ के इधर कैसे आ गए
So I think one chicken tikka roll with cheese.
with cheese always.
Always.
I learned this from Vinayak Grover that whenever you order a roll it has to be with cheese.
He thought you're negotiating with him.
Yeah, he thought I'm negotiating. I don't negotiate. I said best, which means best le lo. And he's like 26 is the best price. Haan bhai, let's get it. So we're getting matcha down for 26k. You will pay. I don't have money. I don't negotiate.
If you don't have money, don't order.
I have.
Good kebab.
Very good.
OG kebab.
Yeah, very good. You try? I'm trying the chicken tikka roll with cheese. Spicy.
Spicy. I like the onion also.
S tier, Ayaz.
चले.
अरे इसको देख कोलाटी. अरे हेलो सर.
It's a fuck you to Mr. Goenka.
Hit the ball! There we go.
And we're ready for Bandra Darshan Day 2. Let's go. Guys, I can't believe that we're going to eat my favorite pani puri. मुझे पानी पूरी पसंद है जो बस ऐसा दिल्ली स्टाइल गोलगप्पा की याद दिलाए।
Vibing, tikka, meetha, how do you like your pani?
मीडियम मस्त है ये वाला।
Ma'am, is this the best pani puri in Bandra?
दिस वन इज द बेस्ट पानी पूरी इन बांद्रा, पंजाब स्वीट मार्ट। तो गाइस हम चले गए थे गलत नॉस्टैल्जिया बेकरी, अब हम जा रहे हैं सही नॉस्टैल्जिया बेकरी जो कि है हिल रोड पे। होपफुली वहाँ पे खाना मिले, वरना हम वेट करके 5 बजने का और हम जाएंगे वापस आयास। न्यू फेवरेट अनलॉक। वाओ, I'm out of my everyday dresses to wear.
Somebody said it's a cute dress.
It's a very Santa Maria vibe वाला dress.
I think Mehul sandwiches shouldn't exist.
I love Mehul sandwich.
Thoughts on Nostalgia Bakery?
Very good. The keema pav is yum. The pav is very good. Keema is very nice. Mehul sandwich is very good.
Mehul sandwich is very bad.
So overall 8 tier and Punjab Sweet Mart S tier. So अभी तक सिर्फ एक ही जगह को हमने C
किसको? अरे ज़्यादा भी जी।
ज़्यादा भी Z को दिया हमने। कि देख लो आपके ऊपर है। हम जा रहे हैं Santa Maria. Santa Maria is known for their sandwiches. जब I think वो जो open हुआ था हम गए थे। Day 2 of their opening हम चले गए थे। But now it's become थोड़ा famous.
How's it?
Nice. Chorizo. Third spot for the day.
And
I loved it. The prawn sandwich.
Yum.
Overall, I think it's an 8 tier and the meats are very good, the bread is very good, sandwiches are very good. I think the fried chicken one is very nice. We have to come back.
And the croissant was.
Croissant was too good. Very good vibes, very nostalgic. Interiors are so nice, music so nice and food came very fast. फट 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 फट। अगर आपको हमारी ये डेट गाइड, हमारी मतलब विनायक की डेट गाइड पसंद आ रही है, मैं तो कुछ नहीं किया है, वो लेके आ रहा है मुझे। अगर आपको विनायक की ये पर्सनलाइज्ड क्यूरेटेड डेट गाइड पसंद आ रही है तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब। वी विल बी बैक नेक्स्ट वीक।
और नेक्स्ट एरिया सजेस्ट करिए।
एंड हाँ, नेक्स्ट एरिया मुलन नेक्स्ट एरिया ऑल्सो बताइए, फिर हम उस एरिया में जाके डेट नाइट करेंगे। डेट नाइट, डेट डे, जो भी है। बाय।